What's up? Just hanging out. Just felt like having a couple drinks, so came online. White Claw Surge.
It's not bad.
Brazil. Stop burping. I can't stop burping. I would if I could.
Yeah, I'm just like really weird. I'm a weirdo.
Hi. I'm good. How are you?
I hate having the screen because I make the whole
Thing shake. That's good. I'm glad. Tomorrow, you'll be great. Not just okay. Oh, no. That really stunk so bad. That was like something I've never smelled before. Like that was some crazy Asian food I had tonight. With some like spicy garlic crap. So let's see, what did I have today? Well, I actually did sip on a soda, but no, I just kind of had some water and ate dinner and popped one of these open.
Hello, how are you?
Fine. Now that you're here, because you're fine, and I want to get to know you. I'm gonna keep it real. My girlfriend just broke up with me. She just left my house. She damn near took my fucking keys. She took my car. I need to calm down. I'm losing
How
my
much you
mind
need a
and
handle
heart.
right off the cave?
If
It's a lot of
it happens
pressure.
again with you, I will be devastated. So let's just have a good time. Okay? Thank you. Where are you from? Oh my God, one of those. You're acting just like my girl.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I actually like it. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. It reminds me of like when somebody's like when like I don't know if you've ever like rode bicycle and you put knee pads on and you like fall on the floor and then like you know what I'm talking about. I think you're picking up what I'm putting down. Oh brother, but your shit sound like it stank. You put some Febreze, baby. What the fuck is this spray? Better yet,
I got Tic Tac.
you need Jesus.
Ooh, beautiful,
You need
beautiful,
Jesus.
beautiful.
Appreciate the hand heart, Kato. Yo, stop doing that, bro. Literally, bro, you about to make my house stink, bro. What the hell? You burping more than Shrek. Stop. Stop. Make it stop. Where's the off button? Stop.
There's a mute button, I think.
You scaring me, bro. How are you even doing that?
I'm the burp queen.
I bet. You probably also the throat queen too. Why you at it? Yeah, probably. I bet.
So I
Yeah.
guess some people
Yeah.
say.
Been around. Yeah. Choo 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 train. All around the town. Yeah. Pound town get down. Yeah. You look like it. Yeah. Let's go, y'all. Let's get 50K likes though, man. What is we doing, bro? We
Appropriate.
not even tapping,
That's
bro.
not,
I'm really about to
that
get there
really hurt my
soon. I'll get on
feelings.
later tonight. I'm about to go
That
get me
really
some
hurt my
food.
feelings.
I'm hungry. I'm about to get me some Popeyes. But I'm what?
Popeyes for you.
Yeah, I'm gonna give me some Popeyes and some Coke so I can start burping like you.
Oh, you don't get Popeyes. You can have KFC instead.
No, Popeyes is better than KFC.
Yeah, well, you don't deserve Popeyes.
Huh? Appreciate
You
you. I
don't
appreciate
deserve
you.
Popeyes. You deserve KFC. I said it.
Okay. Now
You're
what?
being mean to me. So that's why I said that.
Damn it. I'm sorry. I feel bad now. What will I ever do now?
I don't know,
What
man. But
will I
it's
do?
it's no big deal. It's no big deal.
What am I gonna do really?
I think you'll just keep on being you, and I'll keep on being me, and that's that.
Can you burp again?
Oh, I can burp all day. I do burp all day.
Go, 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 go. 1, 2, 3, go. Ah, you can't do it on the spot. You're phony. She probably using an app. It's not even real. You're an AI. Y'all, let's
The
go.
spot
Triple
is
point. It's
fake.
not real. Appreciate you, Missy, for the honor. It's not a real burp. I don't believe it.
It's fake. It's all
I can tell.
fake.
It's a
My
machine.
world record was fake too.
You was on the World Guinness Book of World Record?
Gonna be
How do you appreciate the hand heart? For what? The most burps?
the loudest burp.
Bro, that's nasty, bro. Are you proud of that?
And I'll do it again too.
The loudest burp where in the US or in the world?
In the world. It's a world record.
They said someone's gotta do it. Hmm. I hope the girl I end up with is not on the Guinness Book of Record for the loudest burp.
Yeah, I ain't the one, bro.
Yo! Stop! Stop!
You can't. Yeah, you're making me laugh. I'm trying to burp here. These are my fans. I have like 40 people watching. They want to hear me burp. You keep making me laugh. Hi,
It
Kelsey.
stinks.
Hi,
I
Missy
literally smell it through
Bunny.
the screen. I'm sorry, anybody watching. Oh my god! They didn't put you in the next Shrek movie, bro. You could be Shrek, bro. Oh my God, bro. Yo, calm down. Is there shit coming out your mouth? Stop. You said you, Parker. Oye, cabrona. Para. No más, cabrona. Oye, necesita agua, mami. Necesita agua. ¿Todo bien? Necesita agua, mami. Oye. Throat goat. She's a throat goat. I'm on live with one of no shit. Chill. You're bizarre with it. Chill.
What's
Bro,
your
why
name?
you put your you low key want your people to like look at you as someone that like you could just
What's your
you could just
What's
you
your
know what
name?
I'm saying? Like you look like you the type that like to eat. And I'm not talking
What's your
Popeyes or
name?
KFC. Hey, MVP, Heidi, Missy, Parker, Kato, appreciate you looking. You look like the type that like to eat, and I'm not talking KFC. Am I lying?
Dude, I can't do another match with you, dude. You're too much for me. I just think that,
All right.
you're better
Salif.
than me.
Bye.
You're the
Bye.
alpha,
Bye.
so,
Bye.
yeah. I hope you have a
Bye.
great week. Well,
Bye.
it was nice meeting you.
Bye.
Sometimes when I get really low like that at the end, it just like my vision it just like vibrates my vision. I'm not joking. I'm just like, I can't see. It sounds so dumb. I can't explain it, but I don't know if that's deep. Exactly. The base of my burps makes my eyes shake. Or like they just like I just feel it in my face. It's the way my face like responses to that. It's like I can't explain it. It's probably not visually like you probably can't see it visually like, but I could feel this makes me feel so uncomfortable actually. It's like right here and it just goes.
Oh my god, my friends are.
Yes, let's go!
What's up?
You just
What's
entered
up?
our. How old are you?
Me? I'm
She's old enough.
33.
Yeah,
You're
she's old
33?
enough. I can tell. She looks mature.
Well, you just entered our dating show.
Yeah, mature.
The first ever Apple TV dating show.
Nah, that ain't true.
Oh
No, I was gonna say.
wait, it ain't true. You just entered a dating show.
You did just enter a dating
Oh,
show.
daddy! Yes, oh, I'm supposed to say yeehaw. That's what I'm supposed to say. Thank you. See, I already got a daddy, so I ain't up for grabs, you two.
So he is. Elton, calm down.
Yes, mama! You
Elton,
speak your voice, girl. Don't ever let it be silenced.
Elton, calm down.
Sorry.
Kimmy and new mentor. You're gonna speed date.
Yeah.
We're speed dating. Speed date.
Speed dating. It's the first episode.
Okay.
It's strictly speed dating.
All right.
But you know what?
New mentor, what is your name?
How do we time it? How long is speed dating?
Chris.
I got this.
I don't know. I've never done it.
Odin's gonna make a noise when it's ready.
Okay.
New mentor and Kimmy. New mentor, what is your name?
I think his
Chris.
name is Naaman.
Okay,
You know
well,
what?
That's
You
my
know what?
nickname.
Brooke. Let me
yes,
take
sir.
over from here.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah!
Jakey?
It's just so.
You know what, bro? If you don't marry that woman right now, you're a fool.
Well, that was something else. Bud Light, no. Drinking this trash. Sure.
They're calling me back.
Yes! Right
Two?
there. Oh! Dude, she cute too. Look at her. Look at her. She's crushing on you. Ooh.
Odin.
Sorry.
Especially the way she burps.
So let's talk about
Top 15%, baby.
where are
Let's
you guys
go.
from? Where are you guys from?
Okay, I'll go first. Virginia.
Okay. Your turn, new mentor.
Mission.
Michigan. Look. Oh.
Brooks from my backyard. Got it.
Good, yes.
Odin.
I live in his backyard.
She's a little trash picker. She's
Oh my God. Okay.
You know what kind of talent that is? Oh, I can't say that shit on TikTok.
Stop.
It's a world record breaking talent is what it is. That was just
Wait,
a
who's
fun
what?
name to say,
I
so
just
I
tried
was
to
saying.
invite
Oh
him. He
wait, those are the
declined it.
people. These are all the people.
Gustavo.
That's so fucking awesome. Yeah, I don't know. Everything looks like bullshit to me too. So we only have to exist when we want to.
Hey, back up, Beverly.
That was fucking heartfelt. That was heartfelt.
There's a freaking shark.
Brooke!
I
Whoa!
gotta
That's
listen to this
badass,
hour. I gotta listen
actually.
to this. I'm
Wait.
intense.
Holy
But Jake,
cannoli!
no, Corey, I ain't got nobody either. But don't be
He's got
afraid of
guy
her.
pooping, so
Dude,
you're
What do you
hey,
mean, Lua?
where
Did
are
you
you
like her
guys?
talent?
It's
All right, so
it's
We're in
Lua,
Fort Morgan,
Kimmy,
Alabama.
Lua's impressed with your talent.
That is a shark, dude.
What is it, a shark?
yeah.
Yeah!
Is this happening right now?
Yes, it
Yeah,
is.
it's
Yeah,
right
I
now.
think so. Hey, where are you?
We're in Fort
Repeat.
Morgan, Alabama.
Alabama.
Yeah, where y'all from?
We just want to see the sharks. Thanks.
Georgia. What kind of shark is it?
What the fuck? Like, this,
I'm sorry.